In this video, I'm going to explain why using an audio interface can vastly improve your recording quality, and I'll break down the step-by-step process of using the Vocaster from Focusrite with SquadCast FM. If you're new here, my name is Maribel Smith, and I'm a video and podcast producer. On this SquadCast channel, we help you level up your remote recordings so that you can create better podcasts and video content from anywhere in the world. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. We're here every week, and we'd hate for you to miss a video. Okay, let's talk about why you might want to use an audio interface to record audio. So, why spend money on an audio interface? Audio interfaces like the Vocaster allow you to record at a high sample rate and bit depth, which means you can record at a much higher resolution than normal. Audio interfaces also have physical components like preamps, which also affect how well an audio signal is recorded. A lot of fancy mics are also XLR only, and audio interfaces allow you to use them with your computer as an adapter. In short, if you're not recording through an audio interface, you're probably leaving a lot of quality on the table. So there's the Vocaster 1 and the Vocaster 2. I'm demoing the Vocaster 1. The difference between the 1 and the 2 is the number of microphone inputs and headphone outputs. Mine only has one input. Let's talk about the features of the Focusrite Vocaster. First, I kind of like that the chunky XLR port for my microphones is in the back. That helps keep too many big cables off my desk. It also has a headphone jack in the front, and it comes with USB-C for power and connectivity, which to me is a huge win. This is the first audio interface that we've ever used that can plug directly into a MacBook Pro without any adapters. USB-C is also a thing on a lot of smartphones and tablets, and we'll be testing this more because SquadCast is popular on iPhone, iPad, and Android. By the way, the Vocaster is compatible with Windows, Mac, and iOS operating systems. Okay, let's talk about what else makes the Vocaster so impressive. Solid build, nice quality and weight, but not too heavy. It feels small and rugged enough to travel with it in my bag. The VU meter light ring around the input gain knob is beautiful and functionally accurate to help dial in your microphone's gain. And the knobs are very smooth to turn. It sits flat on my desk, but the top is slanted towards me, making it easier for me to reach all of the buttons. Speaking of the buttons, they are rubbery yet tactile when clicked, and I love how the lights make the icons easy to see. Now, let me show you how easy it is to plug the Vocaster into your computer. First, the USB-C cable plugs to the back of the Vocaster, and I plug the other end into my computer. Again, this is where we would need an adapter in the past with other audio interfaces, but not with the Vocaster. Next, the XLR cable plugs into the back of the Vocaster and bottom of my microphone. Now I can plug in my headphones in the front. And finally, just click the power button on the back of the Vocaster and it should light up. Before you can begin recording with the Vocaster, you need to set it as a default for audio input and output. On a Mac, click on Apple System Preferences, Sound Input, and select your Vocaster. Then repeat the step for your output. On Windows, click on Start, Settings, System, then Sound, and select the Vocaster as both your input and output interface. Now, let's get the Vocaster connected to SquadCast. Now in SquadCast or any other audio app, the Vocaster should be your default device, and you're ready to hit record. By the way, the Vocaster defaults to 48 kHz audio sample rate, which is great for audio quality, and it's the same as SquadCast recording engine. Focusrite audio interfaces are the most popular audio input devices we see being used by professional content creators that are recording on SquadCast. Thank you to our friends at Focusrite for sharing this new device with us to test and review early here on our channel for you. Also, let us know in the comments below if you think the USB-C connectivity for the new enhanced feature is a bigger win for podcasters and content creators. Until next time, happy audio interfacing!